That is our top story this evening. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. I'm Jane Aldrich.
And I'm Greg Adeline. It is a story that we brought you about 2 weeks ago when a Lansing family nearly died because of a carbon monoxide leak in their home.
Well, that family is now speaking out about their experience on that scary night. And Joe Khalil sat down for an exclusive interview with the family. He joins us now in our studio. And Joe, this must have been life-changing for them.
Jane, it was, and the family is doing much better now, but if you can imagine what they went through, 5 kids, their mother and grandmother, all trying to help each other get out of this house, and the whole time they're all nauseous, falling over, they're unable to even stand up. It got so bad, and somehow they managed to pull together, and they're lucky to be alive today.
I can't imagine losing my kids. I can't imagine my kids being sick like that.
Portee never thought she'd see all 5 of her children gasping for air, hooked up to oxygen machines. On the morning of March 20th, that nightmare became her reality.
I got this really bad headache. All I was getting ready to do was just get up and take a Motrin.
Little did she know her house was filled with a toxic level of carbon monoxide.
Were you scared?
Yes.
Why were you scared?
Because my mom's gonna die.
Portee says 5-year-old Sincere doesn't fully understand what happened that night, but remembers feeling sick and helpless.
And then I passed out. Then my brother didn't try to kind of one, and then he passed out.
I tried to help my mom, and then I just fell. I woke up and just started vomiting everywhere, and we all just started falling.
13-year-old Deshawn continued the 911 call his mom started after she says she passed out midway through.
What do you mean when you say that you're sick?
I don't know. I just woke up, tried to help my mom because she was calling, and then I saw her hit my head, and then I just passed out.
It was the worst thing of my life because I'm watching my kids fall like dominoes, and there's nothing I can do.
An ambulance took the family to Sparrow, where medics airlifted them to a hospital in Grand Rapids.
Had we been in this house 5 more minutes, me and all my kids would have been dead.
Sharonda says the Lansing Housing Commission has since installed a CO detector. Still, the family was hesitant coming back to the house.
We didn't come right in when we got here. We just sat in the driveway.
I'm scared that it's going to be another problem and that we can actually pass.
Despite those fears, Sharonda says the family knows they've got a lot to be thankful for today. In Lansing, Joe Khalil, 6 News.